Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Giordano's Garage. It's Andrew here. I hope you're having a great day. Today, we're going to be changing the oil on this Huskee Tiller, and it's pretty straightforward. The only tricky part we'll probably have is this little square drain plug down there, but I'll show you how to take care of that. I hope if you find this video useful or helpful, you'll subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and then leave a comment down below. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is warm up the engine. So I'll come over and start it up. So we warmed up the engine for a couple of minutes just to get the oil flowing through. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take care of this drain plug. And it's a little tricky because it's a square bolt. And if you take a 12 millimeter socket, it's a little too small to get on there. And if you take a 13 millimeter socket, it's too big and it just spins. So the easiest thing to do is just get a half-inch socket and put it on backwards. And then you'll just take it out as normal. And make sure you have your oil pan below to catch your oil as it comes out. You can also tip your machine a little bit to get the oil out. And now we will clean the oil off the front of the tiller here. Yeah, you can see the oil on here is pretty dirty. I don't know the last time it was changed on this tiller, so. Just gonna clean off and then we'll put the drain plug back in, and then we want to hand tighten it in there a bit. You want to make sure that you're not cross-threading it at all. And then once you get it in there, then you'll just take your socket and you will tighten it back up. And then we'll come over to the oil fill plug right here. You'll take that out, and then I have a funnel, so we'll put that in, and then we'll put our oil in. And you want to check to make sure, you want to check to make sure what your engine is calling for. Now we're gonna put the oil back in the engine. It's a little tricky to find online, but the engine model number is right here, and I don't know if you can read it, but it is 120202 space 0387 space E1. That's, when you look this up online, that's how you can see what type of oil the engine wants. And when you look it up online, it wants SAE 30 and 18 ounces. I have a bottle of it right here. It's Toro, and it's SAE 30, 18 ounces for a 4-cycle engine. And now I have the funnel in there, and I'm gonna, now we have our funnel in there, and we've opened our oil. I'm gonna slowly pour it in. We can see how clean that oil is compared to how dirty it was coming out. Then we'll put our fuel plug back on, our oil plug back on, and there we go. So that's how you change your oil on this Huskee Tiller. And just to point it out again, the model number for the tiller is right here on this sticker on the right side of the machine when you're standing back of it, and then right above it on the valve cover is where you'll see the model number for the engine. All right, well, I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, I hope that you'll you'll subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and then leave any comments down below for me. Thanks so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.